Welcome to our journey into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI, a realm where science fiction meets reality, transforming the way we live and work. Artificial intelligence refers to machines or software that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and understanding language. It's like teaching computers to think and act like us, but without the coffee breaks. At its core, AI encompasses several key concepts. Machine learning, ML. This enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Imagine a chef who perfects recipes by tasting and adjusting, except the chef is a computer and it doesn't need a taste test. Natural language processing, NLP. This allows machines to understand and respond to human language, making interactions with technology more intuitive. Think of it as teaching your computer to be a linguist, capable of understanding multiple languages and dialects. Generative AI. This involves creating new content such as text, images, or music based on existing data patterns. It's like having a digital Picasso that can paint in any style you desire. AI ethics. This focuses on ensuring that AI systems operate in fair, transparent, and accountable ways, addressing issues like bias and privacy. It's the moral compass guiding our AI creations. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force across industries. Healthcare assists in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatments, acting as a digital assistant to doctors. Finance, it detects fraudulent transactions and automates trading, safeguarding our financial systems. Manufacturing, AI-powered robots enhance production efficiency and quality control, revolutionizing the factory floor. Retail, personalized recommendations and inventory management are streamlined through AI, enhancing the shopping experience. Integrating AI into business processes can lead to increased efficiency, cost savings, and innovation. However, it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges to navigate, such as data privacy, ensuring that personal information is handled responsibly, bias and fairness, preventing AI systems from perpetuating existing societal biases, transparency, making AI decision-making processes understandable to users. As we embrace AI, it's crucial to ask the right questions and consider its limitations. While AI can process vast amounts of data, it lacks human intuition and ethical judgment. Therefore, human oversight remains essential. By understanding and thoughtfully integrating AI, we can harness its potential to drive businesses forward, enhance careers, and shape a future where technology and humanity work hand in hand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. In this segment, we'll delve into the realm of data science, a field that's revolutionizing how we interpret and utilize information in our data-driven world. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that blends computer science, statistics, and domain expertise to extract insights and solve complex problems using data. It's like being a detective, but instead of magnifying glasses and fingerprints, you're armed with algorithms and big data. In today's landscape, data science is paramount. With the exponential growth of data, organizations are inundated with information from various sources, be it e-commerce transactions, medical records, or financial operations. Data science enables us to sift through this vast sea of information, uncover patterns, and make informed decisions that drive innovation and strategic planning. Embarking on a career in data science isn't a one-size-fits-all journey. Many start as data analysts or junior data scientists, honing their skills in analyzing and interpreting data. As they gain experience, they may advance to roles like data scientist, machine learning engineer, or specialize in areas such as natural language processing or computer vision. The path can vary based on individual interests and the evolving demands of the industry. For those just starting out, seasoned data scientists often emphasize the importance of continuous learning. The field is dynamic, with new tools and techniques emerging regularly. Building a strong foundation in statistics and programming, coupled with practical experience through projects or internships, can be invaluable. Networking with professionals and staying curious are also key components of a successful career in data science. Why is data science often hailed as the most in-demand job of the 21st century? In an era where data is akin to currency, The ability to interpret and leverage this resource is invaluable. Businesses across sectors, healthcare, finance, retail, and technology, rely on data scientists to guide decisions, optimize operations, and create innovative products and services. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a significant growth rate for data-related occupations, underscoring the escalating demand for these professionals. As we navigate this data-rich age, data science stands at the forefront, transforming raw information into meaningful insights that propel businesses forward. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the facets of AI and its profound impact on the business world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our AI journey. In this final segment, we'll explore a structured approach to integrating AI into your organization using the AI Ladder framework, a methodical pathway to harnessing AI's transformative power. Implementing AI isn't about taking a blind leap into the technological abyss. It's about climbing a well-constructed ladder, step by step. The AI Ladder framework provides a clear roadmap for this ascent, comprising 4 essential rungs. Collect, gathering data from diverse sources to ensure a comprehensive foundation. Organize, structuring and governing the collected data to make it accessible and reliable. Analyze, applying analytics and AI models to extract meaningful insights. Infuse, integrating these insights into business processes to drive informed decision-making and innovation. Embarking on this journey requires strategic decision-making and collaboration between business and technology professionals. It's not just about having the right tools. It's about fostering a culture that embraces data-driven insights and continuous learning. As you climb the AI ladder, consider these critical steps. Education and training. Equip your team with the necessary skills and knowledge to understand and leverage AI effectively. Pilot projects. Start with small-scale AI initiatives to test feasibility and demonstrate value before full-scale implementation. Ethical considerations. Establish guidelines to ensure AI applications align with ethical standards and societal values. Remember, the ascent up the AI ladder is not a solo climb. It requires cross-functional collaboration, continuous evaluation, and a commitment to aligning AI initiatives with your organization's strategic goals. By thoughtfully navigating each step of the AI ladder, your business can unlock new efficiencies, foster innovation, and maintain a competitive edge in today's data-driven landscape. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI for business. If you found this series insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future content. Until next time, keep climbing and innovating.